to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for stopping by. So guys, today I have a salad, a very good salad. Oh, my laptop is on. I will have to turn it off. It's making noise. Okay guys, I'm sorry about that. I have a salad that I have prepared, and this salad is zero carbohydrate. This is something to eat to stay in shape, and not only staying in shape, of course, when we eat, the first thing is satisfaction. If you eat something that you are not satisfied with, there's every possibility that you will never go back eating that particular food again. So for me, eating means satisfying my taste. Okay, so whatever it is I'm eating, I'll make sure that I get satisfied. So guys, today I made this delicious salad, very delicious and healthy, with zero carbohydrates and also very little calorie. If you want to lose weight, if you are on a weight loss journey like me, this is something that I will recommend that you should try. So guys, let's just jump into the video. The first thing that you will need is your any type of salad. If you want to use lettuce, if you want to use any leafy salad, any leaf salad. If you want to use what is it called? Oh god, kale, or you want to use guys, anytime I'm making this video, all those things will just spinach. So if you want to use kale or spinach, whatever it is that you can find around you, use. Okay, so the second thing that you're going to be needing is your cucumber. You guys know how much I love cucumber. You know that cucumber is one of, in fact, is my favorite vegetable. When it comes to vegetables, cucumber is my favorite. It's not my number one. Okay, I can fry it to eat. So cucumber is the second thing that you need. And then you will also need onion. I don't like eating raw onion. I never liked it until my husband loves so much onion. And then one day we went out, he ordered for salad and said they should add onion into it. I was like, what is this man saying? But then I started enjoying it. So since then, I've been adding onion into my salad. This particularly this red onion, not the other one, the red onion. So you need your onion. You will also need mozzarella. This is a kind of cheese. I think it's cooked cheese. I think the Hausa people in Nigeria call it wura. They cook it and then they carry it around. It's made of milk, okay, but I think it's cooked milk. Yeah, I think it's cooked milk. So if you don't have any of these things that you don't have, you can skip it. It's not a must. And then I use carrots. You know that when it comes to carrots, for your skin, for your hair, for everything, carrot is super healthy. But if you can look at all this, everything that I added inside the salad, I make sure this is salad for two. This is salad for two, and I'm telling you that I am not going to be even eating half of it because my husband is a super eater. He eats a lot. So I'm going to just take some. Anytime I'm making something like that we are going to just have for dinner, I make sure I make a lot so that he will also satisfy his stomach. Okay guys, after the salad, the next thing that I used is prawns. Those prawns, I bought it was fresh, then I washed and froze it, and I froze it with the back. That means before I bring it out, just throw it inside the fry pan, just add a bit salt, throw it inside the fry pan and fry. So I fried this by myself. Then after frying it, I will remove the shell, the back of it, the shell. I will remove the shell, then chop it into pieces and add it into the salad. So guys, this is all that I use. And then the most important aspect of it is the cream. Okay guys, I am not longer a fan of mayonnaise. I don't like mayonnaise, but if you do not like milk products, you can continue to use your mayonnaise. But if you like milk product, or it's not that you don't like it or you don't like consuming it a lot, we eat, now that it's summer, we practically eat salad every 2 days. We will eat salad every 2 days because now This is the right time to eat salad. This is the season. It is everywhere. And I am going to also be cultivating salad this year. So we are going to eat a lot of salad this year. Okay, I have a space at the background, at the back of the house, where I asked my landlady if I could make use of it. She said yes, I could make use of it. So I'm going to be cultivating salad for us this year. So it's going to be eating salad eating this year. So guys, as I was saying, if you do not like milk products, you can use other cream. You can use like sesame cream. There is sesame cream. You can use sesame cream. You can use olive oil instead of the mayonnaise. Okay, you can use olive oil, and then you just add your salt and pepper. So guys, I have inside this bottle, I have Kräuter. It is called Kräuter in German, but what this is just petersilie, parsley, broccoli, like all those spices, but the green spices like mint leaf. All these are these leaves, and then they dry it and still put it inside the bottle. So this is what it is with dry onion, dry carrot, the dry carrot. That is practically what is inside this bottle. But I still go ahead and add a little fresh petersilie. Is it petersilie? Yeah, petersilie, parsley. I don't know which one is English and which one is Dutch. So I still add, or I add basilicum. I love eating basilicum. I think among all the Kräuters, apart from mint leaf, my next best spice is basilicum. Yeah, so I added a bit basilicum, and that is it, guys. And also I added egg. I added two pieces of eggs, and then I just chop it and add it into the salad. And then the mixing of the cream is very, very important. If you are using this is called sour zana sour zana, or it is called yogurt. So this is yogurt. I have yogurt and I have sour zana sour. Okay guys, if you don't know all those products, if you don't live in Germany, you can use yogurt. So what I did was to put yogurt, add a bit liquid Maggi. This Maggi, don't add a lot, and you can even skip it. I do skip it sometimes. Okay, so if you do not like, just skip it completely. Just add this, add a pinch of salt, and then you add the Kräuter. And then if you like, you can add olive oil, but I am trying to avoid a lot of oil, so I do not add olive oil in mine. So just mix it, guys. Do not mix your salad at the end of it, then you pack everything and put in the fridge. This is the reason. We have done that in the past, where I make salad, then we make everything, and then we don't finish it. Then the next day, the salad cream, even if it is mayonnaise, they turn water, and it doesn't taste nice anymore. But if you just chop your salad just this way and put them in the fridge, and then make this cream separately and put it, and when you take the salad, when you dish the salad, you dish the cream, some cream for it, then that will work so fine. If you're not able to consume all the salad that particular day, you can store it inside the fridge and eat it the next day, and it will still be fresh like the first day you made it. Okay, so that is the reason why I do stopped mixing my salad just like that. If I am not sure if we are going to consume everything, I make sure that I do not miss it. So guys, this is it. And yeah, just go ahead, serve it, enjoy your meal. Remember, you can as well eat this with other food. You can make it as side dish, however it is. If you're watching your weight, this is a very meal replacement, because this is super filling. Everything you need is there. You can just fry a piece of chicken or a piece of turkey, stir fry, and then use it to enjoy your salad. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. I still remain your girl. Bye.